Use it, work it, fix it, trash it, change it, mail, upgrade it, charge it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, guide it, paste it, save it, load it, check it, quick rewrite it, plug it, play it, burn it, rip it, drag and drop it, zip, unzip it, lock it, fill it, call it, find it, view it, grab it, jam and lock it, surf it, scroll it, pause it, click it, cross it, back it, switch, update it, name it, read it, tune it, print it, scan it, send it, fax, rename it, touch it, print it, pay it, touch it, technologic.
One more time. We're gonna celebrate, oh yeah, alright, and stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate.
Hey yo ho, tell 'em, hip hop better wake up.
Yeah, turn the motherfucking music up. Crazy. Yeah. Turn the motherfucking music up.
Motherfuckers better wake up. Stop selling crack to the black. Hope you bought a spare for your flat. Can't accept me talking real facts. Down the hill like Jill and Jack. I speak what your weak mind lacks. You heard that? I'm creative to the fullest. What you talking about, Willis? Cause you talking never kill it. I hear but don't feel it. Thou ain't realist. You're just sweet meat in the village. Yeah, I'm a Don Diva, Don Neva. Y'all not seen her. He to squeeze into a wife beater. Yep, I'm a top leader. I got the Martin Luther King fever. I'ma feed you what your teacher need to preach you. It's time to get serious. Black people all areas. Who gon' carry us? It ain't time to bury us. Cause music be our first love. Say I do, let's cherish it. If you don't got a gun, it's alright. If you're making legal money, it's alright. If you gotta keep your clothes on, it's alright. You ain't gotta sell your little phone, it's alright. And your wheels don't spin, it's alright. And you gotta wear them jeans again, it's alright. Yeah, if you tried, oh well, it's alright. MC stop the beef, let's sell, it's alright.